car. So I'm going to do this real quick and show you guys what I got, what I've been playing. Most of the stuff you may have seen recently in my updates, but when you get new stuff, you play it. Oh, by the way, did a little digging today, which I really haven't been because of just prices have been ridiculous, you know. So I kind of eased back and hoping maybe he'll realize, you know, the customers that come there all the time are getting sick of it. Anyway, something really told me to go digging and found a bunch of things, and I hit this last little row, and I'll kind of show you now what popped up. You see that? You see that? I'm in my car, so it's hard to show completely. That is motherfucking Dio's album, Master of the Moon, on vinyl. You guys know how hard that is to find, let alone in the wild. And the price I got it for, that's probably my best find in the wild so far. Anyway, that'll be shown in my next update when I get some more stuff in. I'm still just happy as a motherfucker over that. Anyway, the band I'm listening to right now, a band called Columbus. That's how I say it. I don't know how it's said, but it's Collibus. And the album's called Trusting the Illusion. This album, this is our second album. Well, the first album's Killer 2. This thing has really grown on me. I've been listening to this a lot since I got it. But I mean, listen. This is probably going to make my top 18 in 2018. So good. If you're a metalhead, there's no way you will not like this album. If you know Battle Beast, Nora, the vocalist from there, take her, Brittany Blaze from Unleash the Archers, and then throw some Nancy Wilson in there from Heart. That's what you got. There's some killer softer songs on here too that are just phenomenal. Next is another one of my favorite bands, newer bands. That's Cobra and the Lotus' second album. Hope you guys can see this. And that's Prevail 2. This is a little heavier than than Prevail 1, which I was happy with. This has more of that heavier, you know, what they're known for. This is the autographed copy that I got through the Pledge Music. They signed it. Everybody signed it. I'm not going to keep on going through it, but all signed by the band. Cobra and the Lotus, Prevail 2. Really good album. This is my favorite of the double album release. Another band I showed you guys recently is a band called Tempt. Another new CD I recently got. The album's called Runaway. If you like that late 80s Bon Jovi, late 80s Def Leppard, you guys will love this band. Also autographed on the CD. Really good ALR hair metal sound to it. Any of you guys that like Bon Jovi and Def Leppard would love this. Next is my Jam Pain Society. Also another new one. I thought I had a copy of it, but I did not. I cannot find it anywhere so far. Really good. I hate to use the word new metal, industrial metal with a female vocalist, but it's kind of what it is, but done well. Like, you can get into it if you're a metalhead. It's not over the top. Sorry, this glare is really sunny here. Another one-off band. I can't think of the name of the band. They used to be called NVS, I think. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. But the band's called Mechanics with an X, and the album's called Regenerator. I think it's like 92. No, I'm wrong. 92. 2002. Or 3, or 2. Can't see it, I'm blind in one eye. From Escape Music, so it's got to be 2002. I'm not sure if this is a reissue or what. I don't think it is. I don't remember it being one. A really good old school. I'm gonna say it again. That hard rock hair metal style, but the late 80s, 91, 92 era. It's got more of that groove to it. Not a lot of blues influence. It's pure hard rock hair metal. I'm pretty sure this is a reissue. You can see. But actually, I'm going to throw it on real quick because it's hard to explain. But I love this album. It's the only album they put out. It's got a little bit of that blues night. The head bobbing. Anyway, there's that. Next is a band, again, I showed you recently that I got. Is a band I only had the MP3s because I didn't realize they actually put out a physical copy, and I found this by dumb luck the other day, and of course I picked it up. And the band's called Without a Whisper, Caught in the Fire. Great modern 2006 or 8, I can't see it. Bought it and it was signed. There's a lucky one. But if you like Evanescence but more in the hard rock vein, you'll love this band. Especially the two songs I mentioned before, Your Body Lies Next to Mine and In Your Eyes. Great, great songs. They're kind of like ballady but heavier. And then finally, it's a band called White Wolf. The album's called Endangered Species. I think the song on here is Run For Your Life that I like. Yeah. The second song is Run For Your Life. This is kind of AOR, but fun. It's another one that should really be played to enjoy. I know, I'm sorry, I'm kind of making it as long as it should be, but it's really I'd say AOR, with that early 80s, mid 80s. This is a little bit later though. It's got Japanese press too. The other song on. I like the backing vocals in the start of this. Really good underrated band in my opinion. White Wolf, Endangered Species. I'll let it play a minute before we get out of here. Kind of get the gist of it. Well, that's all I got for you right now. I don't know what is that, 6 or 7. But again, metalheads, go get this album. Get their first album, The False Awakening. I can't remember right now. Columbus, Collibus. You will love it. Or look it up on YouTube. The whole album's on YouTube, where quite a few songs are. Fantastic album. I guarantee this may make a lot of your top 18 of 2018. If you like Unleash the Archers, you'll be all over this as well. This might be a little bit more heavier at times, actually. Anyway, guys, y'all have a good day. I'm going to go on my air conditioning. I'm tired of being in the car.